There is nothing worse than being on the water and running out of power. It's probably the scariest thing you can have. So a generator is just a backup that you can always use to get yourself out of trouble or to make coffee. Welcome back to the rudder. My name's Damien. We've bought a new toy, a King's 2 kilowatt generator. It has a maximum output of 2.2 kilowatts. One of the main things we got it for is that it is really quite a bit smaller than our previous generator. The other one we'd had for about 5 years and was, you might have seen one of our videos where it broke and Brooke couldn't have a coffee. You know, very terminal stuff. But we've just got a new one. These, I think the recommended retail is about $570, but there's always sales on. We got this for a little over $400. Let's get into unboxing and see what we've got. We're about to go out for a 3-day cruise, so once we get this all with some petrol, the next time we'll see it, we'll be out on the water. Let's have a see what we've got. Instruction manual. Keep that one to the side. Spark plug screwdriver. I guess I'm just going to lift it out. Something to note there, just while lifting it out, was how easy it was to lift. This dry weight is 18 kilos. So let's have a look at what we've got. And there we are. Brand new generator. So I guess it is quite a bit smaller than our previous one, so it will fit in the lazarette quite easily. Let's get this one all filled up with some petrol. I'll do all the other checks. We'll get it on board, so the next time we see it, we'll be out and fingers crossed we can make some coffee. As you can tell, we're on board Antoinette and going to be the inaugural try of the new generator with some putting load on it. Obviously I did try it at home. Big tip that I didn't point out last time is the generator obviously doesn't come with oil inside it, so you need to get some oil, 500 mils of SA 1030 oil, so that goes in the side, and I've filled it up with normal 91 octane unleaded fuel. So here we go. Fingers crossed this all works, because we didn't actually test it with the Nespresso, so that's what we primarily used it for. So let's have a look what you need to do. So the great thing is there's little numbers all over the place that help you go through setting up the generator, and there's even a quick start guide here. Obviously we put petrol in. Number 3 is to turn the fuel so it vents, so this doesn't create a fuel lock. On the side here there's a choke, so I'm going to turn that on, and down the bottom is a bulb just to prime some fuel in. That's the on-off switch, that's the off, that's on, so that's all ready to go. Turn the fuel to on, and you're ready to start. Let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Running poorly, and then you press run. So there you go, running. You'll notice I've put it to the back here, so it's venting out the back. Let's get some load. I haven't got the economy on, we're running it at normal. So here we go, the Nespresso machine. That's all right. So the Nespresso machine's warming up now. While we're doing that, we can load it up. Also plug in the milk frother. Alright, the Nespresso is all primed, ready to go. Fingers crossed. With ease. Awesome. And let's give it a double test. We'll put the milk frother on as well. Alright. We'll just wait for that to brew, then we'll work it. So the Nespresso is finished, it's just finishing off the milk. Not too noisy for the neighbours. I probably wouldn't be doing this at 6 in the morning, but it's a little bit noisy for us in here, but if you're out on the water, that'll be fine. And even, I'll just try the economy mode. That's much more, the milk frother doesn't take much energy. Oh, and we're done. To turn it off, you just do the reverse. Off switch. Oh, serenity. Okay, time for a cup of coffee, and we'll just go over everything at the end for the generator. The generator is a success. We have a nice hot cup of coffee there. The only other thing I'd probably use the generator for is in an emergency. We've got the shorepower cable in here, so we can hook it up to the shorepower and charge the batteries off. The other thing is charging up my laptop. It's an inverter generator. Also Nespresso needs an inverter sine wave generator. So you need one of those for Precision Electrics to power them on. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below, and we'll see you next time on the rudder.